Hi guys, how are you today? It's a beautiful rainy day here in Cape Town. So guys, I'm a big lover of nature, so this is what I've always been doing, you know. Sometimes I just drive, come to the beach, park on the beach side, and then I relax. And so today I came and then it's raining. I just told myself, you know what, I'm craving nature, let me just go nearby and see you know, and see nature. So I'm here today. Oh, the rain has just stopped. Let me quickly roll down the window so you can see the beautiful nature God created. See the beach, see the ocean, the sea. I don't know what you choose to call it. Look. Oh guys, you can never replace, no one can ever replace this. Look, this is an ocean, guys. Can you see how big it is? Just imagine how deep it could be. Wow. God is an amazing God. He is the most high God. Can you see what he created? Can you see that? Since the rain stopped now, let me quickly go out. I'm just praying that it won't start raining. I just pray that it won't start raining now. I am just praying that it doesn't start raining. I'm not a huge fan of rain. I'm not a huge fan of rain. But let's see. Let's go together to the beach. Seashells, but I like them when they are white. Only when they're pure white. These ones, can you see them? They're beautiful, but I like them more when they're pure white. Guys, I want to cross and go that side, but I can't walk, so I have to go out from here, drive and go the other side. Guys, I'm having a nice time. See nature, guys, see nature. Can you see how beautiful nature is? Water looks blue from far. Can you see down there? I think it's very deep there. Can you see how bluish it looks? And this side it looks green, and there it looks blue. Look, see the waves, guys, see the waves. Let me go the other side. Let me go the other side. Bye.